What's good, everybody? This is the Internet Income Ninja with some company, my dogs. This is ridiculous. It's funny, they weren't barking until I actually started recording, but making money goes on. They're a bit rowdy tonight, and I hope they calm down soon. But thank you so much for stopping by, and today we are going to be doing a very short, to the point, swift kick to the video. Okay? Now, if you've appreciated the content so far, go ahead and show some love. You can do so by doing this, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking the video, commenting on the video, and sharing it with everyone you know on all social platforms. Okay? It's free to do, easy. It took me 5 seconds to say all of that. It takes you 1 second to hit the subscribe button. Now, speaking of making money online, there is a very interesting quote that I want to share with you. Okay? And it goes like this. Okay? It says, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Right there. Okay? One man's trash is another man's treasure. And what that means is you may not necessarily value something, and you actually will just discard it. You'll get rid of it because, you know, it's, oh my gosh, I'm tired of this, I hate this, and just toss it, right? That's what you could do. That's what many people do. But to someone else, it is one of the most valuable things in the world. And that is synonymous with eBay. Now, I'm not saying that trash is sold here. I'm not. I am not saying that. What I am saying is you can use eBay to make money online. Now, compared to its counterpart like Amazon, eBay has developed a reputation of being able to sell whatever you have. Okay? You can sell new stuff, you can sell used stuff, you can sell used stuff that's lower end quality, you can sell used stuff that's excellent like new quality, you can sell used stuff for parts, right? You can sell parts only. Okay? You can have stuff lying around the house that other people will actually find valuable. No joke, no cap, none of all that stuff. If you don't believe me, let's do a test. Let's refresh the page. Okay? Alright? Here are the major what you call it? Headings, headlines, topics, categories, right? Let's do sports. Let's go to cycling, just because it's all there. Bicycle frames. That's good. Yeah, let's look for a speed bicycle. One of those nice road bikes. Let's do large, just because I'm a guy. 26 inch. Let's do 29 inch. And then we'll do, I don't see aluminum. For the heck of it, let's do carbon fiber. And there we go. Okay. So this frame is for $749. Now if I were to click on this, it's new, right? However, there are many people. Let's look at this. There are many people, and I could tell that this was in the condition in a used state, because you could see that's somebody's floor. That's probably somebody's garage that they had the thing in, and they're like, yo, let me just take a quick picture of this. Used. See that? Used. Slightly. So you might find one or two nicks, maybe a couple scratches, but this baby is like new, and they are selling this frame, just the frame, for $1,499.90, pretty much $1,500. Plus shipping. Okay? Used. Look at this. A Raleigh M8000 vintage mountain bike. The frame alone is being sold for $280. This is like a yard sale online. Now, if you are someone who's getting into cycling, you could bet your last dollar on eBay that you can find something that's up your alley, something that's your size, material, weight, price point. Yeah, no cap, no joke. Now on the flip side, somebody put this item up. They had this in their house. Maybe they hurt their leg. Maybe they liked cycling, don't want to do cycling anymore. Or maybe they just got a better bicycle and they're like, yo, this is it. I don't need two frames. Let me just get rid of one. And so they just decided to get rid of one. Okay? So just like this frame, you can look around your house. Alright? Look around let's look at this. I'm interested in power hammers for blacksmithing. So let me try just a random search. Okay? So all these are pneumatic ones. I'm looking for one of those old school ones with the spring at the front. Okay? Power hammers, blacksmith. Because you have different kinds of power hammers. So I'm specifically looking for power hammers for blacksmithing. Alright, so let me just scroll. I'm not seeing any yet. I'm not seeing any yet. I'm not seeing any yet. But if you can't tell, some of these tools were used. Some are new, like this. That's that's brand new. Wow, maybe never been used, but it looks like it's been shop worn. It's new but never been used. Still trying to find a power hammer. Let's try treadle hammer. Treadle hammer. Treadle. No, these are all forged blowers. But you get the point. You do get the point. Little Giant Power Hammer. Yeah, let's try this. Little Giant Power Hammer. One of the big names in this industry. Dude, look at this. The Power Hammer, you can buy a 1922 advertisement for a wood lathe, power hammer, and saw together combination for $16.99. The advertisement. Alright? This is ridiculous. But you can buy the advertisement from 1922 for $16. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So people are selling instruction manuals, people are selling the equipment themselves, just little stuff that you don't think people would want. For example, there was a video I saw the other day where a gentleman was selling a watch. No. Someone else was selling a watch. That's not right. Somebody was selling a watch, a Rolex, and the gentleman wanted to provide the complete package. So he went on eBay and realized that he could actually purchase the manual, the owner's manual, from eBay because someone had it up for sale for some amount of money. I don't remember how much. So one person wanted to sell the watch, realized he didn't have the manual because he wanted to have everything in mint condition, and every Rolex watch comes with instructions, how to keep it, and just it's like a proof of authenticity. Okay, so he went on eBay and guess what? He found the manual, bought it for X dollars, and now he had a complete package. He could sell the Rolex watch for a bit more money than if he didn't have the manual. So if the manual cost $20 and the watch was $1,000, okay, let's say the watch was $10,000. The manual cost about $100. He could sell that watch for $15,000 just because the manual was with it. It gives it authentication. Okay, so again, one man's trash is another man's treasure. These cards and stuff, were once part of a machine that somebody probably scrapped, and they're selling these parts for scrap on eBay. Useful parts, I might add. So you may be thinking to yourself, oh, my garage is full of crap, I need to get rid of stuff. Well, you don't need to. You could sort them, put them in boxes, take nice clean pictures, and come on eBay, create a store, and sell your items on your eBay store. You can have your things under buy it now. You could have them under various conditions, used, new, shop worn, lightly used, whatever. You can have your items under different categories. So guys, do not underestimate the power of eBay. And I honestly think if you have a bunch of stuff around your house, good stuff, books, okay, shoes, keepsakes, old signs, you know, vending machines, there are people buying if you don't believe me, let's vending machines. I kid you not. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Vending machine with video and touchscreen selection. $6,950 our best offer. Royal 65010 multi-price bottles or canned soda drink vending machine. $1,200 our best offer. Used. Pre-owned. You see that? K-cup coffee vending machines. You can even buy the T-handle lock for the vending machine. Okay? You can buy refurbished vending machines. Look at that. Pre-owned. No joke. Touchscreen Coke vending machine, soda, snack, candy dispenser, cashless. You see that? I'm not joking here. I'm very serious. eBay, you can make quite a bit of money on eBay. So don't get this thing twisted. You can do very well for yourself selling your own stuff, your old stuff. Your own old stuff. See that? Remember this logo. eBay can save the day. So whether you have parts, old bicycles, sewing machines, you name it, you can sell new and used stuff on here. So if you have a bunch of stuff that you consider junk, you can actually put them up for auction, and if it's something someone wants, I'm not expecting you to have miracles overnight, but they're called miracles for a reason, and yes, they can happen overnight. So try it and see. There are many people who are rinsing eBay. So while everybody's fighting for Amazon, there are people on eBay milking it. Talk about retail arbitrage, there are people on eBay who are, oh my goodness, they are milking this cow dry. When this cow is done being milked, there is nothing but skin and bones left. But before you leave, I will invite you to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. Guys, by the way, check the links in the description below. If you're not into selling these types of stuff online, you can actually build your own six-figure business online. Again, I wasn't joking about eBay. I'm not joking about this, especially this. Check the links in the description below and you will be pleasantly surprised. Guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja, bringing you more money making ways online. Thanks again. Have a good one. Stay safe. Peace.